All right, this is Roger's Fix-It Barn. And I've got a little project for the neighbor. He's got a broken piece on his shower, and he's got no water, and it's Saturday. Won't get no parts till Monday, so I'm gonna fix his part for him. What we got here is a little adapter that goes on there. It's got a 1/2 inch NPT thread in it, and it's got a hairline crack right down through there, and that's where the water is leaking out of there. I'm going to cut this thing off down about here below the crack and add on a new piece with a 1/2 inch NPT on it, and silver solder it on there. When I get done with it, it'll be good as new. All right, we're going to get started with it. All right, I put this in the lathe and parted this piece off, the one that's got the crack in it, and I'm going to replace it with a 1/2 inch coupling, brass coupling. I'm going to machine it to the right OD and right length and silver solder it on, and when I get finished with it, it'll be good as new. Alright, what I'm doing is turning this thing down to diameter. I got it screwed onto a nipple. I'm going to turn down the OD. That'll be true with the threads on the inside. When I get it turned down to the right OD, then I will part it off the right length and then silver solder it on the other piece. Should be about the final cut right now. Final diameter. Alright, get this thing set up and part it off. Alright, here's the piece with a 1/2 inch thread in it. Here's the piece that came off the other one. I turned a little shoulder on it so when you put them together they line up. I'm getting ready to silver solder this thing back together, and we'll have a brand new part ready to go back in. Alright, just got through silver soldering it. It flowed in good all around the inside. Down in there you can see where it flowed all the way around. So it's in there. I got to hit it on the wire brush and clean it up. Alright, here's the finished part. So I'll put it back together. Got a silver solder joint in there. You can't hardly see it, but if you look on the inside you can see where the silver solder flowed all the way around on the inside. It's kind of hard to see in the light, but it's got a shiny mark in there where it flowed all the way around on the inside of it, so it's good as new. Alright, I'll go give it to the neighbor and put it back on. Alright, we got a part fixed for the neighbor, and make him happy because he can get him a hot shower tonight. This little part, if you had to go buy one, be lucky to find it without buying the whole thing. It's a coupling. It goes into the shower valve in the wall where the shower goes on. There's a 1/2 inch NPT here, and it's got a union. There's a nut that goes over this and tightens up into it, and His old one had a crack in it. And I took it and parted it off and added a new piece on the end of it here. So I'm just getting ready to go over and put it in his hand and deliver it to him where he can get it done. So, all right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. All right, there's the finished product installed.
Unbelievable.
Got
Better than the original.
water pressure on it, and don't see no drips, no leaks, no spraying, so he can take a hot shower tonight.
Roger, how can you be so damn skilled? That's what I want to know.